So it goes out to unrealentgaming. And be sure to enter his Patreon for exclusive manga content. Like the upcoming premiere for Super Saiyan 5 Broly. Remember I drew him? Good times, good times. Tonight we're going to draw the fusion of Majin Buu and Merno. That's right, I've said it before, Merno is back. And this time he's fused with Majin Buu, otherwise known as Supreme Angel Majin Merno. Yeah, it's a bit, it's a bit off to understand. And why would Merno fuse with a Majin? How is that even possible? Would they need Patara earrings or something? I highly doubt that this fusion would debut on Dragon Ball Super, even though these two have nothing in common, except for the fact that Majin Buu was created by the demon known as Aladdin, and Merno was born by his mother, the Grand Priestess, and the Grand Minister. And, well, I've been trying to get unrealentgaming to create a manga where Merno saw the light and turned good. It was like something was missing inside of Merno, remembering the day that he first found happiness. The day before he met the Omni King. I mean, that Omni Annihilation stuff, that's not how I wanted the manga to end. I wanted Merno to become a good angel again, succeeding to see the goodness inside of the fallen angel. Plus, Merno is deep down, angels are all pure-hearted. They're all good. They're all kind. They all have they all have the power to create stars. Well, not unless you call Whis, who has the power to turn back time. Alright, here's his tentacle. Unrealentgaming, if you're hearing this, is it alright for you to create a manga, if that is possible, for Merno to become a good angel? I mean, there's still good in him, and I know he's all over the Dragon Ball Super news content. I've seen him when he first arrived on Universe 7. I saw his clones, which wasn't really what I was expecting. I did see Merno's original form when he combined with his clones to become whole again. My favorite part was the Dragon Ball GT stuff, when Merno destroyed it, while actually it was his clones that destroyed it. To be honest, well, I never really liked Dragon Ball GT. For one, Goku becoming a kid, and two, Pan was supposed to die. And to be honest, I actually liked Pan's death. I mean, seeing Super Saiyan 4 die along with them, that was actually pretty fun to watch, even though they weren't able to stop that. Pan should have turned evil and ended up getting destroyed. I was thinking that unrealentgaming should create a series where Pan turns evil. I even created my own Super Saiyan transformation for her, Super Saiyan Nightmare. Let's see what else I can draw up. There, that takes care of that. Now let's draw the feet. I also had plans for Unrealentgaming to create mangas based on the fusions, like that Tuffle leader fusing with Goku to become Super Saiyan 3 baby Goku, and another form. Okay, let me just draw the halos on his arms, just like Merno did. Another episode would involve Jiren and Broly joining forces. They should have put that in the Merno arc.
Yeah, my guess is with Shohei, isn't he gone? I assume he's in Japan for a good part of the offseason and then he's back. Yeah, but again, it doesn't make sense to care that you're closer to where you're playing because you're not leaving.
Another form would be for Super Saiyan 5 Goku Black. That would be a really good transformation. I would really like to see that. Oh yeah, and I have been told that Frieza and Cooler have a new fusion. I would really like to see that. Unrealentgaming, whatever you're doing, please accelerate the process on seeing Cooler and Frieza's fusion. I've been really wanting to see that for like eons now. At least release one small content about the fusion. We're all eager to see this fusion alive and well. Let's see, what other fusions am I talking about? Oh yeah, what if Baby were to fuse with Vegeta and unleash the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved state? What would that be like? Would Goku stand a chance? Would he have to turn into Ultra Instinct to set Vegeta free? And let's see, what else? Oh yeah, what about Zycor and Raikon? Would they have to join forces? Why don't you create a show about that? Let's see, what else should I think of? Oh yeah, let's see, Zamasu, Baby, and Cooler. There are three of my characters that I like. I want you to fuse them into one being. That'd be an awesome fight to see. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, Super Saiyan Royal Blue, actually Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved Vegeta, and Ultra Instinct Goku were to fuse into a godlike Saiyan. I wish we should have seen that in Merno's fight. Let's see, what else would that be? I wonder what would happen if the top 5 strongest were to combine. My ideas for Unrealentgaming are endless. If you're watching this, I hope you hear this message.